Let me show you how you can loop a video on the iPhone. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so it might depend heavily on where the video is. Like if you have it inside of your gallery, what you're gonna do is to open it up like this and make it go full screen. And you can notice that the video is currently being played inside of the gallery like that. And you will notice that after the time is up, the video is going to begin playing once again. So that is like a built-in feature of the gallery app, right? So that's something which you can definitely do. Speaking of gallery, there is also a dedicated loop feature or loop button, but that only applies to the live photos. So if you specifically go there, you can change the effect of live photos to be this loop that indicates that the animation or motion captured inside of the live photo will be repeated. So it's basically just an effect which you can apply to your live photos. But if you want to be a bit more professional with it, there are dedicated apps for this particular purpose. So there is an app on the App Store which is called Looper, and this allows you to import videos into the app, select how many times it's supposed to be looped, and then you can play it in a video player. So this is a little bit more professional, and obviously it is an app which will ask for in-app purchases for some advanced features. So yeah, for free you can most definitely loop videos, no problem, but it depends on how deep you want to go with it. So I hope it makes sense. I just wanted to show you all of the possible ways you could loop videos. I hope I was able to assist you with it. Thanks a lot. Let me know by hitting the thumbs up that you found the video helpful, and I'm gonna catch you later.